I have the OnePlus 15, and let me show you how to enable or disable auto answer calls when you have headphones or earbuds connected to your OnePlus 15. So you want to go to the call settings, and to do that, just go to the phone app, this one right here. So tap on the phone app and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, you should see the option answer/end calls. Tap on that, and then this is the option to auto answer calls when connected to external audio, which includes Bluetooth and wired headphones. So you can enable or disable that option from there. Now once you enable, of course, you activate some extra features like the time of delay before the call is automatically answered. So you can adjust that to either 3 seconds, keep it at 5 seconds, or maybe prolong it to 10 seconds. And also, you could as well just go ahead and turn it off altogether. Thanks for watching and good luck.